So in the present video, I'll try to cover 10 gigabit Ethernet. The major idea is to extend the technology, the data rate obviously, and the coverage distance so that the Ethernet can be used as LAN as well as MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. The IEEE committee created 10 gigabit Ethernet called it as standard 802.3 AE. The goal of 10 gigabit Ethernet is to design the data rate. The data rate will be around 10 gigabits per second, keeping the same frame size and frame format, and allowing the interconnection of LANs, MANs, and WAN possibly. So the major we are not modifying, there is no modification with respect to the frame size of the Ethernet as well as the frame format, only we are changing the data rate. The major intention is to improve the data rate is around 10 gigabit per bits per second. In the case of implementation, so we can have the major standard as 802.3. The IEEE committee created that standard. The goal of the 10 gigabit Ethernet is to design or else it need to upgrade the data rate is around 10 gigabits per second, keeping as I said before, there is no modification with respect to the frame size as well as the frame. So in the major implementation, suppose if you are having 10 base F, so that 10 means the data rate will be around 10 megabits per second. Base specifies a base band, it is digital, and F means fiber. So similarly, we are having different implementations, 10 base T or 10 gigabit Ethernet, etc. So 10 stands for the data rate. Base is nothing but this specifies what kind of baseband we are using. Here it is digital one, and F means fiber. Implementation. 10 gigabit Ethernet operates only in full duplex mode, which means that there is no need for contention. So we can avoid contention in the case of 10 gigabit Ethernet. So if there is no contention, means obviously no need of CSMA bar CD, which is used in there is no need of CSMA bar CD in the case of 10 gigabit Ethernet. For implementation, we can use 10 gigabase SR, 10 gigabase LR, 10 gigabit base EW, and X4. So we'll take its standards. The summary is given in the table. So we are having different implementations. First is 10 gigabase SR. So the medium is fiber cable, the around 850 nm. And medium length is 300 meter. Number of wires is obviously it is 2 because it's full duplex. Encoding used is 64B bar 66B. Similarly, 10 gigabase LR, that is it uses fiber cable of 1310 nm, and medium length is greater than 10 base SR, that is 10 kilometer. Number of wires is 2, and encoding is 64B/66B. So similarly for 10 gigabase EW and 10 gigabase X4, the specializations are given, and we can use maximum medium length as 40 kilometers in the case of 10 gigabase EW. So we'll take full form. The 10 gigabase SR means 10 gigabits as data rate. Basis, as I said, it is digital, and the meaning of SR is short range. Similarly, 10 gigabase LR refers to 10 means 10 gigabits per second as data rate. Base is digital, and LR is nothing but long range. So the next one is base. So always base refers to baseband signaling. What kind of signal is transmitted, that is either analog or digital. EW refers to the Ethernet WAN PHY, that is WAN physical layer.